Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you how to make a paper airplane. If you haven't seen my other tutorial on how to make a different kind of paper plane, go check it out on my channel, Aviation Corner. Alright, let's get started. First, you take a regular white piece of paper. Make sure there's no grass on it, as I made the mistake. Fold it lengthwise. Fold it over. Fold the little corner so that it's touching the crease. Repeat for the other side. Fold it again from this corner. Make sure it's again touching the crease. Repeat for the other side. Make sure this is nice and pointy. Now turn it over. Make the wings. Start from the tip of the plane, going down to the bottom. I'm sorry if you hear a dog noise, but that's the neighbor. Fold the wings. Repeat for the other side. And here's your plane. If you like the content of this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, Aviation Corner.